Professional overhead door spring repair and replace in Houston, Texas. Are you in need of expert overhead door spring repair and replacement services in Houston, Texas? Look no further. Our team of highly skilled technicians is here to assist you with all your overhead door spring needs. With years of experience in the industry, we are dedicated to providing top-notch service and ensuring that your overhead door operates smoothly and efficiently. Whether you need a simple repair or a complete spring replacement, we have the knowledge and expertise to get the job done right the first time. Don't let a faulty overhead door spring disrupt your daily routine. Trust our team to quickly and effectively repair or replace your overhead door spring, allowing you to get back to your busy schedule without any hassle. Contact us today to schedule an appointment for professional overhead door spring repair and replacement services in Houston, Texas. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we are committed to delivering exceptional results every time. Call now. Phone 8322 9150.